Je m'appelle Jonathan et je suis courtier immobilier. I'm Jonathan and I'm a real estate broker. Welcome to this magnificent waterfront lot on Lake Patrick. In this visit, I'll walk us along the water's edge of the property, I'll show you some aerial images, and I'll do my best to point out all of the elements that make this lot exceptional. Dans cette porte ouverte, nous allons marcher le long du bord de l'eau. Je vais vous montrer les images aériennes de la propriété et je vais tenter de vous montrer tous les éléments qui rendent cette propriété exceptionnelle. Suivez-moi, follow me. So we begin our tour right here on the water's edge. Fortunately and unfortunately, it is a beautiful day on the lake, sunny day, but also a very windy day. So it may be difficult to hear me. I may even be doing a voiceover of the live portions of this video because of how windy it is. You can see the waves coming in. Lake Patrick is a real lake. It is not a typical small lake in Quebec. It is a sizable lake. I believe there are motorboats on this lake, there are motorboats are allowed on this lake, but I don't know how many there are. I've rarely seen any motorboats on the lake. So here you have the water's edge. Comme vous pouvez voir, on a des cèdres majestueux qui sont sur le bord de l'eau. On peut voir ici le fond de l'eau qui est en roche typiquement laurentienne ou lanaudière. So you can see beautiful water's edge here. Great lake for swimming. The water quality is absolutely impeccable. The water's edge here, over here to the end of the lot in this direction. About that rock right there is the end of the lot in this direction. You can see that there's nice fine sand over here, and at this end here it's some glacial till stones. So there you have it. This is facing due west, donc l'orientation du terrain franc ouest. So you'd have absolutely stunning sunsets in the evening and afternoon. So here you have the lot, which slopes up towards the buildable area, which was right at the end of my finger right there, is probably the most likely space to put a house. Et le long de l'eau ici, mes pieds sont à environ 4 pieds en hauteur par rapport à l'eau. Donc on est juste au-dessus de l'eau. On a un beau sentier ici qui mène au coin du lot dans cette direction. Donc coin du lot ici. Vous voyez la vue de ce coin-ci du lot. Mais bon, c'est vraiment magnifique ici sur le bord de l'eau face à l'ouest. Donc allons maintenant voir un petit peu des images aériennes et je vais vous expliquer la forme du lot et d'autres détails qui sont inclus avec la vente. So here we're going to walk to the other corner of the lot here, the other edge of the water's edge, and then I will do a voiceover on the aerial. We have a picket right here. So this is the other corner of the lot. So just briefly while I'm here, this is the neighbor's entrance. So up there is the road, and you'll see just beyond my vehicle here is the neighbor's house, and the lot line is approximately here between the two. Now this is the lot here. There's ample room here to make its own entrance up to the road, but as of now it does not have its own entrance. This is the plateau that would be appropriate for building a house. Right now I'm about 50 feet above the water's above the height of the water, so up. The house could go a little further down, maybe another 15 feet further down, and then you'd be about 35 feet above the height of the water. Donc ça c'est l'endroit où probablement on voudrait installer une maison sur ce lot. Je vais vous le montrer sur la carte aérienne où est-ce que je suis et les lignes de l'eau par rapport au voisin qui est ici, qu'on ne voit pas du tout, qui est caché, et le lac.